Hi, Jacob.Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City. I just want to talk to you today about the Catalina 243 RBS. It splits a really interesting difference between adding a lot of space for the floor plan and actually keeping your weight down. It weighs 5,850 pounds and has a 24-foot, 3-inch floor plan, so you add about 3 and change for the tongue and tail, and then you get your about 27, 28 feet length total. In that length, you get quite a few options. Start off, you have a true pass-through storage in the front cap here, a ton of space in there for a lot of gear. Or you can even put a small kayak in there. I'm gonna go right inside this guy because everything that that makes this really special is baked into the interior. Within this 24-foot floor plan, you do fit quite a bit in. Right off the entrance, you have your solid surface breakfast bar. Put a couple stools here and have breakfast while somebody's actually still working in the kitchen here, and they're not going to interrupt the spaces either. You have your double basin sink, and you have your 3-burner stove with your cover that folds back and acts as its own backsplash. It's a pretty cool feature. Catalina does really nice residential touches. They keep the wood light and they actually make the space pretty bright with the windows as well. You have your three-way refrigerator, gas, electric, or battery. And we just swing around here. We're actually looking at the big booth. The booth has storage underneath, and that's all in your slide out too. So you have a super slide here. You have the really light kind of upholstery here to keep things bright still. And in that couch is a trifold couch, and that flips out to make a really nicely sized bed. And this is all kind of in service, kind of to this media center here. A lot of storage in the media center for any games or movies or any kind of other equipment you want to have at hand here for your media, and your electric fireplace. Those things kick out quite a bit of heat. The space isn't that big, and so it actually doesn't take a lot to heat it up really well. Now in the bedroom, you have another TV that's mounted on the wall that you're facing when you're laying down. It's still really bright with your 2 windows that they both open, can create a nice little cross breeze here. And you have your closet space on either side of the bed, plus a ton of storage, including that front pass-through storage as well. Now let's just head all the way to the rear here. And if we're looking for more storage, either pantry space, or you can use this as really versatile for even extra clothing or anything you just want to store out of the way, even kitchen gear, huge deep storage there off the rear, and that's right next to your bathroom. You have a solid-sided booth shower, which I actually really enjoy. Instead of having to kind of throw elbows at the curtains that kind of stick to you, these things really help for they're stabilizing and give you a lot of space inside as well. You have your step flush toilet, and it's still a lot of light that actually stays in this bathroom. If you have any other questions about this rig, give me a call, 773-655-7190, or stop by Junction City and let's have a look.